Hello everyone from the Error Slayer YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit MOGRT files in Premiere Pro. If you're ready, first step, click the Window tab in the menu above. Then, select Graphics Templates. If graphics templates are not available, you can also select Essential Graphics. Next step, click on the Install Motion Graphics template icon. Then, select the MOGRT file you want to edit and click the Open button. Next, in the Graphics Templates panel, find the MOGRT file you imported and drag and drop it onto the timeline. Then, click the Window tab in the menu above and open the Effect Controls panel. Next step, click your video in the timeline once. Now you can edit your MOGRT file as you wish using the Effects Control panel. If you found this step-by-step guide on how to edit MOGRT files in Premiere Pro informative, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.